therefore, thus, hence. Hence? Does anybody use hence? Let's study together. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and today I'd like to bring you a one-point lesson to help you with the TOEIC, TOEFL, and other English exams. Hence, thus, and therefore are all adverbs which have the meaning of because of this. You want to improve your English, thus you came to watch this video. That kind of sentence might not sound so natural to you. That's because hence, therefore, and thus are generally used in more formal English conversations or in English writing. Of course, you're going to find those on English exams like the TOEIC, TOEFL, or IELTS 2. You can think of these three words as having the same meaning as so. You want to improve your English, so you came to watch this English lesson. That's probably a more familiar sounding sentence than the example I gave you before using thus. That said, here are some examples to help you remember this vocabulary. The shipping manifest will be submitted to customs officials, and hence, it needs to be checked for accuracy before submission. Mr. Waters was the most exceptional candidate, thus he was offered the position. The cafe we have in the shopping mall has the highest amount of foot traffic, therefore, it's the most profitable location. As I've mentioned before, the best way to remember this or any vocabulary is to write a few sentences that are true for you or true in your world that have this vocabulary, and then memorize your sentences. Okay, that's all the time we have for today's lesson. Hence, I have to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.